I want to first ask you how would you describe the association that is the MDCAN-UDUTH's mission within UDUTH itself and also within the generality of Sokoto and metropolis. What is your mission? How will you describe your mission? First, you start with your name.
Yeah, well, my name is Dr Nuradeen Altine Aliyu, a consultant orthopedic and trauma surgeon in the Department of Orthopedics and Trauma, Usman Danfodiyo University Teaching Hospital, Sokoto. I have been elected not long ago in June 2025 as the chairman MDCAN, that is Medical and Dental Consultant Association, UDUTH Sokoto branch. The Medical and Dental Consultant Association, as the name indicates, it is an association comprising specialists, consultants in various fields of medicine and surgical practices in Usman Danfodiyo University Teaching Hospital. They are the most senior cadre in the medical profession. They serve to treat and manage patients in their respective fields and also offer teaching services to our various trainees who will eventually become consultants.
Now let's talk about the conference. From findings, we found out that this is the 19th edition of the conference and it will be holding here in Sokoto. From a fellow's viewpoint, what made this congress important? I mean, what make it indispensable? Can you just...
Well, the conference holding is exclusively under the National Postgraduate Medical College of Nigeria. The usual pattern is the college holds an annual conference event. This annual conference event is called ASCAF, which is an annual scientific conference and all fellows. It offers an opportunity where all the members of this medical college, all the fellows who have already graduated and practicing as consultant under the National Postgraduate Medical College, comes together and relate with one another in terms of sharing knowledge, researches, education, and medical practice. So this gives an opportunity for them to come together, share knowledge in terms of scientific presentations, workshops, among others. They also discuss issues which prevails the current situation in the medical practice, especially with the economic situation and also the deaths of practicing doctors. There is currently there's serious shortage in various hospitals where doctors are not found plenty because there is difficulty in giving adequate care to our patients, because most of these medical doctors migrate to other countries in search of a better practicing environment as well as better income.
From our conversation so far, I understand that this conference is a very, very important aspect of general healthcare development and management in Nigeria. In most cases, you see conferences happen and go, probably maybe after the communique and people forget about what is done. How important? How do you see the importance of having many documentaries, maybe dedicated photo book to serve as a reminder or something? What can be consulted in the future for the younger generation to have impact? Will you encourage such having this kind of conferences packed in packaging for me, maybe as mini documentary that can serve as what you can consult in the near future?
So the coverage is as important as holding the conference itself, because conference that has not been well covered and communicated across the various stakeholders will not yield much result. And that is why in ASCAF, we employ the most important and relevant social media company so as to cover it from the beginning to the end, not leaving a bit of it for our members to benefit even after the conference, and also for the general society. The encouragement of our members to attend is already there because they are the main stakeholders. They have, invited all the dignitaries that need to be around. Even before the preparation begins, we have made a pilot study, and while preparing, important visitation have been made by the elders of the association and also other members. The Sokoto state government have welcomed the ASCAP members because the National Postgraduate Medical College was able to visit the Sokoto state governor and all the important stakeholders, including Sultan. And there has been assurance of, assistance and collaborations. And some of it has already been done and is being done. And they promise to be there for the ASCAP and also do all the necessary, collaborations that is required